We missed the trade that we had here, which was honestly perfect. I was really busy today. I had a lot going on. I had my appointment, and then I came home and I was trying to cook for my dog, and so it was a little hard for me to trade and um, be on the charts and really focus. I was trying to um, just see what was happening, enter a couple trades, manage it well, and like protect my entries while I'm cooking. As you guys can see here, I had some really good entries. I entered here, right at the 50%, which was the ideal entry. I got stopped out right at the entry because I moved my stop loss to break even right away. I ended up buying here when it came here because I was like, oh, because it came down here and I had gotten stopped out. I was like, let's see if we find some support here. This was the wrong move because we were already in bearish order flow, and we had the breaker that we were inside of that we rejected on the 50%, as well as the new week opening gap. So, and then let's see, we entered here, we got stopped out there, I think. I don't even know. Anyways, and then we entered here a buy again because I was like, okay, it took us out. Maybe it'll go now. Took us out again right here. And then sold. And I was like, okay, fine, let's sell. And we sold here. However, we made the mistake of shifting our stop loss too soon. So even though we sold perfectly here, we shifted our stop loss too soon to stop this out and then came lower. And then as you guys can see, we created like equal lows, sort of tapped the low of that inverse fair value gap, and then we came back into the entry, which this is the entry that I was waiting for, that I wanted, and the ideal entry, obviously, that we could have taken. Um, but that's okay. If this trade goes, we might end up making back what we lost with some profits. We'll see what happens. And our TP is down there at 28.33. So we'll see if it goes down there. I already shifted my stop loss to break even, just in case, so we can profit some and also lower our loss because we're down $87 as of right now for today. No biggie, not a big deal. I just want to practice and keep trading comfortably and calmly. No rush. I don't care if I have to keep paying the monthly fee. We are like building consistency and discipline with our trading without the FOMO and the anxiousness of completing a challenge. So we'll see what happens here. I would love to see this stay open, like right here, and just melt lower, but I could be wrong. There you go. It could stop us out here. Usually the best trades are the ones that don't even come back to fill these areas. They just come and reject it and immediately melt. Ideally, we want to see a respected zone if we are going to go lower. And I am going to shift my stop loss lower because we already took losses, and I have to go to work. So rather take something than nothing if it's to stop us out here. And we'll make back $20 if anything. So we would end up the day with around 65 loss or something like that. Let's see if it holds. So far, so good. I like how it's rejecting. It just barely tapped us. Almost. Literally, it was like four pips away. Yeah, so now we're just going to leave this trade going. Either hits buy stop or buy limit. So good. Right now we would be only in drawdown $5 here. Made it back. But right now we're in profits. If it continues, we'll end the day in profits, and that's all I'm taking for today. Let's see. All right. We do have a 1 hour inverse here. I'm kind of nervous that it might just want to reverse after tapping here. we are going to shift our stop loss buy stop to the top of it. I would love to see it just run lower instead of like retracing back to stop me out to then go lower. I want it to rush. But let's see. Rush lower, come on. And it's okay if it doesn't. I just got my money back. I'll be happy with where I'm at if it stops us out here. Because we made back what we lost, and our bias is pretty on point, honestly. I didn't really have the wrong idea. Probably gonna stop us out here. Didn't really have the wrong idea, you know. Let's see. We ended the day with $7. That's fine. We made our money back, and we learned a couple things. I will post this up so you guys can take a look and see like why I entered and explain my trades. I have been super busy, so it's been super hard for me to make the time to post these, but I will try to do my best to do that tonight. So take care and good trading, guys.